Welcome to how to set up an OpenVPN server on Untangle Firewall. Here is the connection model. I use the firewall as a VPN server for secure remote access. You follow these steps. Apps. OpenVPN. Enable OpenVPN. Save. Configuring the VPN server. Server enabled. Save. You can authenticate using a username and password if you want. Add. I add a new remote client. Client name. John. Save. Save. You download the configuration file for the client server. You use this file for the client to connect to the server. You send the configuration file from the server to the client somehow. On the client, you import the configuration file. These are the basic steps to configure an OpenVPN server on Untangle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.